Part 3. Overview of the IDA Web Client. The IDA Web Client serves as an interface for practical tests of the workflows set on the IDA server. Here, a defined load module as well as a recognition and output module can first be selected. These have been previously set up and activated in the IDA Web Control. Now, a test document can be selected and uploaded to the web client to verify the quality of the output. In this example, we are using a handwritten letter. Now, by clicking the Start button, the processing of the document can begin. As a result, hovering over the handwritten text of the document with the cursor will display the highlighted text line in the text box. This can now be checked for accuracy. As a detailed output, the result is given on the right side of the document as a JSON file. Here, probabilities for the correctness of the recognition, among other things, can be viewed. The PDF and the JSON file can be downloaded for further inspection via the icon at the bottom left. If the result is satisfying, production can now begin. However, the interface of the web client can only load one document at a time. So it is just used to adjust the control settings and workflows by feedback of test process documents.